Let's learn how you can create a 2024 recap trend using your TikTok and CapCut applications. I will show you how you can create exactly a video like this. So let us start by opening our TikTok application. First we will have to go to TikTok so we can find our template for the video. Click on search icon and just click on 2024 recap search. Here you will have to find video that suits you the best. I will find the video I show you at the start of this tutorial. Here you have button CapCut, try this template, click on this. Now it will open you CapCut application. Click on use template, blue button. Now it will open you your photo gallery. Now choose the photos you want to post on your trend. So when you're finished with choosing the photos for your trend, it should look something like this. This will be the preview of your video. I posted some random photo just to show you how you can do this. When you're done with editing and adding the photos, click on add sound in TikTok, blue button. Now it will export the video, and when it's done it will open you a TikTok application. So now we are on TikTok. As you can see here, you can add a sound for your video. You can also edit a video in TikTok, and when you're done just click on next, and now you can post the video you want that you created with 2024 recap trend. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.